Welcome, my dear students. As you have already completed events twice and O level, and as per the syllabus for this year, we have almost finished all the chapters. So now this is the time to teach you the same way as per the requirement of time. Up to now, we have done questions, lengthy questions, long answer questions, but I think this is the time to learn MCQs from all the chapters which we have not done earlier. We were focusing only on the long answer questions or short answer questions. So now I have started MCQ for all the chapters which I have taught up to now, but MCQ we had not done. So let us begin with Prose 1, the last lesson, and in every lecture I will ask you 10 MCQ questions. So in this way, in 4 days chapter will be finished, and on the 4th day I will discuss the marking scheme also. Okay, so let us start. I hope you have read the chapter thoroughly and you have no doubts. Still, if you have any, you can contact me. Okay. Question number 1. Who is the author of the last lesson? Options are A. Jane Austen, B. Rabindra Tagore, C. None, and D. Alphonse Daudet. I told you earlier also that whenever you will try MCQ questions, you will have to sit with paper and pen. And I suggest you to use your homework notebook or CW notebook. Better you do it in CW notebook. You have written all the summaries. So after completing summary and all, still there will be many pages left. So utilize your CW notebook and write down the name of the chapter at the top, write down MCQ also, and this time you note down these questions in your CW notebook. Okay, and afterwards you have to tick mark which one is right, so that on the 4th day when I will tell you that these are the answers, you can judge yourself. Okay. Question number 2. Alphonse Daudet was from which country? A. India, B. France, C. England, D. New Zealand. Question number 3. The story, the last lesson, highlights which human tendency? A. Male Chauvinism, B. Procrastination, C. Courage, D. Cowardice. Question number 4. What were the things being taken for granted by the people of Alsace? Options are A. Teachers of the school, B. Time and school, C. People around, D. Money and power. Things being taken for granted. If you know the meaning of this, only then you can answer these questions. You take many things for granted, like studies, so don't take anything for granted, do it seriously. Okay, so these are the 4 options. Question number 5. What does the last lesson symbolize? Option number A. Loss, B. Loss of freedom, C. Loss of language, D. Loss of language and freedom both. Now question number 6. What does the last lesson signify? A. Change of power, B. Change of government, C. change in life, and D. change of teachers. Question number 7. What do the marching soldiers under the windows represent? A. The dawn of Prussia in defeat of French people. B. The defeat of Prussia. C. The victory of French. D. None of these. Question number 8. From where did the orders come to teach only German in the districts of Alsace and Lorraine? Option number A. France. B. Lorraine. C. Berlin. And D. Germany. Question number 9. What do the effects this story speaks about? What do the effects this story speaks about? Question number A. Options number A. Power. B. Money. C. Transition. D. People. What do the effects this story speaks about? Means you have to talk about the effects about which this story is telling us. Okay. And now the last question for today. Question number 10. Why was Franz reluctant to go to school? Options are A. Wanted to enjoy warm sunlight. B. Wanted to see soldiers drill. C. Wanted to enjoy outdoor. And D. Lesson on participles was not prepared, and that's why he was reluctant to go to school. Or he wanted to enjoy, or he wanted to see, or he wanted to enjoy outdoor. Whatever is the right answer, whatever you think, just put a tick mark and read the chapter. Tomorrow I will come with the next 10 questions from the same chapter, so be prepared. Okay, in the comment box you can clear your doubts by putting questions there, or you can separately also give me a WhatsApp message, and I hope you all know my mobile number. Okay, so you can utilize this facility. Thank you.